Jump!
Yeah, and it's little, so him and Brielle would be able. And Brielle could get it. I mean, a
Yeah,
little
she
bit.
could.
Just sit in and kind of bounce and stuff. Jade's almost too big for it now.
Jump!
God, Ian looks so big compared to
I
him.
know.
I mean, there's a year difference, but still.
He is small.
He's so cute. That laugh is darling. He's still got his baby laugh.
Jump! Fall down. Fall down. He's got really good balance.
That's cool, yeah.
Like, she can be jumping, he can still get right up.
Whoa! Crash!
Collision.
Wish his buddy was here to entertain us. Okay.
Fall down.
Being a good girl, Eden. Being easy with baby, huh?
Rain's been good. That's odd.
I know, so I mean, they're both behaving. This is glad you're getting it on tape. We'll never have it again. I don't think she's used to seeing people littler than her, I guess.
Yeah. Oh.